I am authentic, I am relatable, and I am transparent. I am Arletta Allen, and I am a women's empowerment motivational speaker. I'm passionate about speaking because I know what it feels like to be in that dark place, and I know what it feels like to choose conformity when you should be living up to your full potential. So I'm here to equip you with the tools that you need to see a better outcome for your tomorrow. It's all about your viewpoint and how you see yourself. So if you're gonna choose authenticity, if you're gonna choose to show up in a space and be yourself, then the first thing I'm gonna need you to do is do just that. Be you, and be unapologetic about it. Stop apologizing for being who you are. I bring the perfect balance of motivation and actionable takeaways. I take my audience on a journey through the valley and safely landing on the mountaintop. And just be you. Yes, you. Create the awe in your authenticity by doing what? Being true to yourself. What? Living out loud, being kind, being present, being transparent. Look, live your life being the very best version of you, and remember, the world will have to follow suit.
I had this great opportunity to listen to Arletta Allen. Listen, life-changing, mind-blowing. She is absolutely amazing. My life will never be the same.
I chose to cultivate or grow my imperfections. I chose to figure out what was setting me back and choose not to accept the negative condensations that were coming towards me. The viewpoints from those that broke me no longer served or had power towards me. So I chose to be me and to do me authentically.
Ladies, I just had the honor of listening to Arletta Allen share her message around women's empowerment and authenticity. And after listening to her, I feel empowered to take on the world.
There's a unique sense of fulfillment that takes place when you uncover yourself and show up to be exactly who you are. I'm here to help you to fulfill that purpose. I am Arletta Allen, authentic, relatable, transparent.